Yes, we've reached the midweek, and the market still reacting towards the geopolitics, which is currently happening. Yes, we back. Today is Wednesday, the 3rd of March, the 4th of March. Yeah, today is the 4th of March. So basically, we just looking to see how the pairs are likely to play out. Yes, I gave previously. There's a trader that I took. I took a trade on Bitcoin, and it was basically sort of a counter on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin on higher time frame, when we went to weekly, we saw that Bitcoin is bearish, and my counter, I was trading towards the weekly fair value gap on Bitcoin. So let me start off with Bitcoin so that I can see how this trade played out, or how it's currently playing. So Bitcoin, like we said, yeah, I took a buy and I was targeting my area of context. On weekly, like I said, on weekly, I had my fair value gap. This is the area actually I'm targeting. Yes. Yeah, this is the area I'm targeting, just like you see, weekly fair value gap, to see if maybe I can use it as a context to push price further lower. Understand, on Bitcoin. Yeah. If not, still I can see if price might maybe invalidate this weekly fair value gap, to see that price continues now to attack more areas of premium above. Understand? So Bitcoin, I'm still holding. I took it on Friday, and I'm still holding it till I took it on Saturday. I'm still holding it towards my weekly fair value gap. So you could see these internal structures, these minor structures. We have a bullish structure inside, definitely the bullish order flow leg. So I'm hoping to see Bitcoin continue pushing up, understand, towards this weekly what area of imbalance. So I'm still holding. My break even is here. My stop loss is below this most recent swing short-term low. Yeah, it's below here, and I'm hoping to see that it pulls much higher. So we saw the dollar pushing to the extreme heights. You could see the dollar really amazed me. Yeah, I was hoping for the retracement. Yeah, hopefully, but we are likely, just as I see, we are likely to shift upwards when it comes to the dollar. We are likely now to shift sentiments. This choke, I put it because that's what I'm expecting. This choke level. Actually, I should have written choke level, because on daily it's not yet a choke. Yes, we still have a liquidity what sweep off of this level. It's a buy side sweep. So basically, but I'm hoping for further moves to the upside. I'm hoping for the shift, for the dollar to shift upwards. When we go to 4 hour, let's see how it looks. 4 hour, we haven't shifted. You can see this is the daily choke level. It should be a choke level, but I'm still hoping to see dollar pulling up. I don't think dollar is gonna reverse unless it reverses. I don't think dollar it's gonna reverse off of this area of supply, of which I'm not so sure. But other pairs, they have shifted, so meaning the dollar also has to shift bullish. So according to what we see on dollar DXY, this is my trading range, and these are my two areas of discount. Let me say this area, actually we have my decision area of discount, and we have a minor break of structure, and we have another extreme area of discount. So I'm waiting to see that the dollar pulls back. When the dollar pulls back to any of these areas, then I will decide which one will give me a confirmation to continue buying it towards the upside. So this is what I see on the DXY. We're still massively bullish. We are just on the pullback phase. Yes, towards the upside. So when we come to GU, I'm waiting for GU. I'll be talking about the trades that I took yesterday in the afternoon. Yeah, let's talk about GU. GU, I'm still at GU gave us a massive drop. Yes, and I'm hoping to see GU continuing to drop. But before GU drops, we've left areas of supply. You know, whenever you have a break of structure, understand, you happen to get a trading range where you have to be able to flame your entries within. So basically, we have areas of supply which are not tested, and I'm hoping for price to come back to test those areas before continuing to the downside. We have our area of inducement. This is inducement, not imbalance. This is inducement. Yeah. So I'm waiting for this level of inducement to be taken out. And above this level of inducement, we have two areas of supply. We have the decision supply and extreme supply. So I'm waiting to see what happens. Which area of supply will sponsor price to the continuation towards the downside. So I'm patiently waiting. EU, that's Euro USD, same setup just like the GU. We're waiting for the pullback. Two areas of what? Supply, of which I'm eyeing. So I took a trade on Euro GBP, of which I just want to show you. Euro GBP, I'm on a buy. I took it yesterday. Euro GBP, it hit my extreme level of demand, of which I took it here, and I'm hoping to see price continues to do what? To buy. So I'm just waiting to see how it will play, but my entry was here, the mean threshold of this order block, and my stop loss below. So I'm up after taking out liquidity. You see here, this is the liquidity I was waiting for, filling up this imbalance, sit up in this area of demand. I'm hoping to see Euro GBP continues to buy, because on my higher time frame, I can say I'm still seeing more buys to come to keep targeting all this buy side liquidity, you see. So this is how actually I took a long on gold and silver. Those ones I took them yesterday, yeah, and these are the setups that actually I have on gold. I took a long on gold and silver upon the reaction off of this area of demand after taking out all this internal liquidity, internal range liquidity. This is gold. And silver is the same setup. Gold and silver are relatively the same. They have same setups. Silver, after reacting off of this area of demand and the area of this fair value gap. Actually, the fair value gap was already used up. Yeah, it just took this rejection low out, and it reacted off of this area of what? Demand. Yeah, this area of demand. Yes. So that's how it is, and I'm targeting this buy side liquidity. So I'm long on gold and silver. So this is what I wanted to show. Yeah, I wish you a peaceful week. Yes. Thank you so much.